Hello everyone. Today I'm walking a little fast because I'm late to meet my parents. Well, I was supposed to be at the Korean bakery by 3, but I woke up at 3. It was such a tiring day for me, so I desperately needed to take a nap, but I slept a little too long. What a realistic video with the camera shaking. I dreamed of making a very aesthetic video as a university student, but it turns out that's not the case, I guess. This is my second time using the Jubilee line, so I didn't need to use City Mapper today. I was prepared, but I fell asleep before leaving my accommodation. I felt so sorry for them that I literally ran down the stairs. By the way, I still have no idea why the underground is so hot. Isn't there like an air conditioner in the UK's tube? I had to take off my jacket and the scarf as soon as I went down there. Plus, I was panicking because I was late, sweating. Just to briefly let you know what I did on that day, I went to Paris Baguette, which opened quite recently at Canary Wharf. This is the most popular Korean bakery, and it was great to hear that they managed to come to the UK to save our family. We really missed proper cake, made of whipped cream, not buttercream. And here we are. Lovely. I was a little lost trying to find them, but since I'm young, I found them pretty quickly. Now, let's have a look at the bakery and see if it's close enough to the ones in South Korea. Time to enjoy.
Anything else for you guys? I can do coffees, drinks.
Yes, we will have a look. Yes, thank you.
Last check. £65, £60 maybe.
Thank you.
The cake isn't too sweet, and this is the biggest compliment I can give as a Korean. It paired nicely with my hot chocolate. And in the center, look at it. The strawberries and jam are just flowing. A piece of art. After that, they even let us to try their matcha cake. Well, personally, I'm not a big fan of matcha, but my mom loved it. There's a mirror. Look at me. So cute. And then a necklace. I mean, the charm looks quite cute, but I don't wanna have it. My mom looking at the clothes for me. I don't know if she's looking for me or for herself. Nice. And I love this cardigan. It looks like a Londoner style. And I think I can have it as a business casual. Nice. Then have a look. Following my mom as usual. Yeah. Lovely. And then me again. Hello. This section was a bit more formal than the ones behind this. And I think, yeah, that one, the one my mom is holding right now. That's the one I bought. Like, look at her. I don't need to cut the length to fit me. Like, if I need to buy something in the UK, I need to cut 20 centimeters to fit myself. And nice charms and a bangle. Going upstairs to go to fitting room with this lovely cardigans. Then here we are. Lovely. And then me. Again, I think I love myself too much. I wanted to do this transition. Nice. I think it worked pretty well. Like, there's 4 more, I guess. Yay. Oh, nice. I mean, this cardigan, the shape was a bit more like rectangle for me, so I didn't like it. This one is the one I bought. Nice. And I think I wore this like 3 times in a row to make my money worth. My money? My mom's money? Yeah, nice. Thank you, Mom, thank you. And then we went outside and saw this dripping rains with letters. And I think there's no pattern in it, because it doesn't make any sense when you read them. Hot. Tour. Pay. Local. What was that? Post? Musicals? I don't know. And here's JP Morgan. Oh my gosh, lovely building. Like, look at how many lights were shining there. That must be a lot of people suffering there, right? I wanna be one of them. And here we are to the course. This is my mom's favorite because their materials quality is amazing. The jewelries. And if you have a look at it, like, the material they use is mostly like a cashmere or 100% wools. There is something with polythenes, poly something. But they are still good. Nice. And look at this necklace, the silver one. I mean, like, I really wanted to try it, but I was too shy to do them. The price, I wanted to check it, I still don't know how much. £79. Oh. And me and my mom looking at this shining sweater. Oh, hard. And then another beauty check. Nice. You were able to get a 10% off by signing up to their newsletter. And here at the Korean restaurant where Blackpink Jennie went. Then the menus. Whenever I go to a Korean restaurant, I always try their jjajangmyeon first because that's my favorite. But from here, I mean the prices were reasonable, but they didn't really use the proper noodles for jjajangmyeon, which made me to feel very disheartened. It was sad, but other than jjajangmyeon, it was amazing. It was good. So I feel like I might come here again if I feel too lazy to cook for myself. Nice. I don't know why I keep talking about nice here. Feel like that's the only exclamation mark for me. And then there's tonkatsu as well. I loved it, but my dad actually cooks better tonkatsu. Tonkatsu. Yeah, tonkatsu. What happened to my pronunciation? I have no idea.
너도 뭐 밤인데.
Here we are. That's jjajangmyeon, this one. And the red one is naengmyeon, which was amazing. Just fabulous. And that one was jampong, the spicy noodle. Yeah, this one has seafoods in it. And this one is 탕수육. Oh, I lost it. Yeah. Waiting for the bus. I think it was like 10 o'clock by this time. I was quite scared because, we don't know what will happen in the London's night. On the next day, I joined in this AWS AI and machine learning conference. Conference? I don't think it's a conference, like an insight day. And they gave us this breakfast. Well, it wasn't for us, but we thought it was for us, so we took it. Mistake, yeah. And we had an opportunity to try out their party rock, their version of ChatGPT, I guess. And nice pizza. And me again. Well, I took this because I wanted to show you how I looked amazing with this cloth. It's the one my mom bought it for me. Nice. Yay. Look at me and the trouser. And that boot is actually not 100% leather, but it looks like a real leather. Oh, look at how much I love myself. Yay. And that's it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.